There are two friends who meet in the city park and talk. Hello Ima, how are you? Long time not see you.
Hi Tono, I'm okay. How about you?
I'm very well, thank you. Do you know that our school will be effective tomorrow?
Are you sure? It's still Lebaran Day.
I'm not sure, but I will call Mrs. Rennie.
That's a good idea.
Of course. Ima, I want to wash my hand. May I?
Yes, you may. I will wait you here.
Okay. After a minute.
Tono, why you didn't come to my birthday party a week ago?
I'm so sorry, Ma. My uncle is got accident.
I'm sorry to hear that. I hope he will get better soon.
I hope too.
By the way, I have an interest in Korean drama. Are you interested?
I don't have interest in Korean drama because the drama is too long.
Oh, it's okay. Tono, would you like to accompany me to bookstore after this? Because there are some books I have to buy.
Okay, I would like to accompany you.
Come on!
At the bookstore. Hima, what book will you buy now?
I will buy a novel.
Wow, I like novel too.
It's amazing!
Would you prefer romantic genre or history genre?
I prefer romantic genre than historic genre.
Okay, do you still long time, Mima?
Why, Tono? Do you hungry?
Yes, I do.
Wait a minute. I will pay to the cashier.
Okay, I will wait you. After paying a book.
Thanks for today, Tono. Come to my house and eat at my house.
Anytime, Ima. Let's go to your home.
Come on.